Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Fluid Art Boutique is right around the corner, but there's still time for you to join us. If you visit fluidartboutique.com, you can get your tickets to take a class with Karen, Sarah, Mina, Johnny, or myself. Also, make sure you sign up for the dinner and lunch event where we'll get to hang out and talk about all things fluid art. I'm happy to share two exciting announcements with you guys. Firstly, I have been diligently working on my Crystal Coast Originals website, and it will be launching next week, so please keep an eye out for that. Secondly, I will soon be offering online classes. I don't have the exact date yet, but expect them within the next 3 or 4 weeks. So again, stay tuned for more information on that. There are so many amazing things coming up. It's been a pleasure getting to know you all, and I'm excited to share more fluid art with you in the future. So for the painting you guys are going to see today, I do not have it with me. It's actually been shipped to Santa Fe because it's going to be hanging in the Fluid Art Boutique gallery, but I will insert a picture so you guys can see the finished result. It's similar to one that I did a couple of videos ago, the yellow on top of the gray, and I'm really liking these vibrant colors on a gray background. As usual, my formulas as well as the colors will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.